In this video, I'm going to show you how can you create a free plus shipping book funnel with multiple upsells as well as course funnels as the upsell option. Not just that, I'm going to share with you my strategy of creating the entire funnel from scratch, including design, copywriting, layout, everything that you need to build a top class funnel for your own business. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a GoHighLevel funnel website design agency. I build marketing funnels for clients literally across the globe. I've been working for clients across 12 plus countries. And in case you want to know more about me, visit pritamha.com and you will get a better idea about it. All important links are in description. Now, this is a client project, of course. Now, whenever I'm giving you a walkthrough, a detailed rundown tutorial, these are generally our client projects. Now, Jenine is a client who reached out to me regarding this book funnel few months back, and she is into the real estate space, right? She is a top class real estate agent. She herself sells the real estate. That's why she knows the game. Not just that, she is also very big into the GoHighLevel white label space. So she reached out to me because she wanted a top class funnel designer by somebody who has the expertise to do it. Now, she has written quite a few books, and this was a free plus shipping funnel, which means that this is an actual book that she is going to give away for absolutely free. The only thing that the visitor or the customer has to pay is for the shipping. Now, this video is going to be very useful in case you're planning to create a book funnel for yourself or for your client, so you can learn from my learnings of the last few years that I did on this particular project. Now, here's the thing, right? So this is actually a multi-step funnel, which basically means that, hey, once somebody starts the initial purchase, they will be presented with multiple upsells, right? And even then, I mean, only then they're going to get to the congratulation page and the order form and all that stuff is going to come at the end. So it's a multi-step, one-click upsell funnel, right? First of all, the branding is super amazing, right? Because she has a darker color, which is black color basically, and a golden color real estate branding, right? And I wanted to incentivize on that because I want to make that the top end, branding look, because that brand looks top end, right? Now, the first things first, I'm going to show you my psychology of creating the entire landing page and as to why I chose to create the way it is looking now. First things first, as you can see, there is a golden banner, and the golden banner has a very clear black distinction of text says that get your free paper book. Now, the reason why I want to get it very, very clear that hey, this is not an ebook, right? This is not a PDF. This is not that you can check on Kindle. This is a real physical book that you are going to get. That my client Janine is going to do the efforts in order to ship it to your address because she is giving away this offer for limited time. And since this is a paper book, this cannot be done for forever. You cannot click and make thousands of copies. That's the reason why this is a real life, real time use case with a limited stock, right? And we cannot go wrong with this. Second thing is, I want to start with a question right here. Want to generate high intent seller leads for your real estate business? Now, to give you some context about who Janine is, as I told you, she's into the real estate business. She specializes into the real estate, buying and selling, along with her mailers, right? She, with the physical postcards, she is actually an expert into that. Have been doing this kind of marketing for years together. Not just that, she's also built a community of real estate agent around it who are already part of her white label SaaS, want to be part of her white label SaaS, are learning from her courses, and she has ton of courses by the way, and also learning from her books, which she's away giving away for free. She's kind of a brand icon in this space already and growing. I wish her all the best. But yeah, that's what is the identity that she has, right? And that's the reason why the first thing that comes to me is this small question that, hey, want to generate high intent seller lead for your real estate business? This is going to redirect or directly push to the visitor who's already a real estate agent and is looking for a solution like this. If he is a home cleaning owner, a digital marketing agency guy, or a saloon guy, you're going to repel all these visitors because this is not for them, right? So this makes everything very, very clear. Then comes the main headline that, hey, turn postcards into seller leads, because she's going to show you how to send postcards, mailers, so that you can get more leads, sell them, get more business for yourself as a real estate agent. That's the reason why it says turn postcards into seller leads, a proven recession proof strategy for 2024. Think about it. You can earn millions of dollars of ad. Actually, you can't, because you, as an individual real estate agent, does not have the required funds that a big marketing agency or a big real estate firm will have. And that's exactly what she is doing. She is doing all alone, right, with her the strategy that works, and she is showing it to other real estate marketers who are also doing it, because they are also the lone wolf, right? They're doing it themselves. They don't have big marketing budgets or big marketing agencies, right? That's the reason this is the headline, and that's where it attracts people. Now, discover how to generate seller leads and listing beyond just listed and sold postcards. Pay only for shipping, because you're going to get the book for absolutely free. Now, one thing I've seen people ask is on my Facebook, Facebook profile. I mean, in case you haven't visited my Facebook profile, just search Pritam Bhadra and you will be able to see that. Right, this is what you will be able to see, and you can send me a message or send me a friend request or follow me, and I'll be happy to get in touch with you. Apart from that, people have been asking, how do you create this kind of effects? Beautiful effects. Now, these are created because of CSS. You can't natively create in high level. So, if you know a bit of CSS, that's it. I use very, very less CSS. Most of the work is inbuilt, designed on the high level builder. Slightly a bit of CSS works, right? Then I gave her a script, right? Literally, I gave her a VSL script so that she can, record it, and she did a fantastic job with it. We got that done, and look at the book itself. So I got the cover, I created the mock-up, and this just looks premium and stunning, isn't it? Right. Apart from that, you also have this kind of notification that, hey, you know, this is important. This kind of arrow notification, special offer, watch now. Right. This kind of grabs the attention and pulls people to the video to learn more about it. And then you have this, yes, reserve my free copy. Now, you only pay $9.95 for shipping and handling. And as you can see, this is a gradient effect done with CSS. And when you hover on this, it kind of has that kind of glaze effect, what kind of makes it look premium. Apart from that, to literally showcase that, hey, stocks are low, and it will actually be the case because these are physical books. We have this kind of image, which is hurry, stock is running low, and then we're going to show that, hey, the last two blinkers of the battery, kind of system like that. Looks good with the parallax effect at the background. It kind of looks like fantastic, right? As you scroll down, then we have agents we work with. By the way, the entire copywriting, layout, designing, structure, and mobile optimization was done by me, right? And I gave Jenine, when I was starting out, I gave her a document. Document is where she fills out all the necessary details that I need, and then I take care of the rest of the things. Now, she has worked with a lot of agents who have worked with these kind of companies, whether it's Coldwell Banker, EXP Realty, RE right, Compass, Keller Williams. I actually worked with somebody in the Keller Williams as well. I hope you've seen that funnel that I built for them, but it was amazing. Apart from that, here is a kind of a trust badge, or a badge that kind of shows the quality, which is best choice product of the year. It kind of builds up the trust and credibility. Then you have the next section, which is, hey, we are now showcasing you the entire bookshelf itself, right? Which is the mock-up books and even the insider, images, which basically is the papers, so that I can show it to you how exactly it looks, right? Look at this. Send me your address and I will send you the free book. And this is done on the golden as well. Now, all of this is custom design according to her requirement. Then I actually write a bit of content as to, hey, what exactly is this book is all about, and think about the offer that you might miss in case you do not take action now. And then we give them the option to take action, which is the button, which is the scarcity, and then the trust badge here. When you scroll down, you have tons of testimonials. So since she has been in the industry for so long, and people have already gone through her courses, trainings, as well as her books, so we have a ton of testimonials that we added here. When you scroll down, now this section is more about the books, right? This talks about everything in detail about the book, that hey, and the book looks fantastic, of course. An ultimate guide to generate leads and listing for real estate agents with a proven system beyond just listed and just sold postcards. And this is exactly because she has a system literally of postcards that you can continue to give it to people who are interested so that they can buy from you. Her strategy is mind blowing. In case you're in the real estate business, make sure that you sign up under her so that she can help you out on that. Apart from this, we are now giving information as to what exactly the book is all about so that people can get a better understanding. I've seen a lot of funnel builders who kind of add these details but don't really show as to what they can get, and they don't even write as to what is inside, right? And some people just overdo it. You don't need to write too much details into it because people really do not have the time to read all that content which you have posted, and people don't even know if that's from the book itself or not, isn't it? Right? When you scroll down, then we are now showing that hey, here are a few secrets we'll discover in this book. Instead of giving modules and that kind of stuff, I want to give them a real life showcase example. Now these are real pages, right? And I've created a mock-up of that, and then I'm showcasing, and it's very easy to read. You don't have to, zoom in to read them. You will be able to understand, hey, this is for top 10 mailers. This is for get a copy. This is for printing guide. This is for 5 success keys. This is for why it works. And not just that, we have a beautiful hover effect, which is parallax effect on top. At the bottom, you have these books being laid out from the sides to kind of give a beautiful effect to it. And as well as we have also written down the important pointers as to what you get when you get this book, whether it's 6C's sales cycle, whether it's top 10 top seller lead generation mailers, whether it's template for different size postcards, whether it's copywriting, whether it's savvy printing, whether it's the top 3 mailer objectives, whether it's the 7th stage of a successful real estate mailer, 5 success keys for your mailers, or top 5 reasons why mailers marketing works. Again, we're giving them the option that hey, you can choose it. So if you see, in multiple cases, we're giving them multiple options that hey, you can opt in now, you can opt in now, right? We have to give them multiple buttons in order for them to click on it and proceed further. Then there's also a section as to showcase who is it not for, right? And this comes from a real life experience. That's why I always say that hey, even though I'm a funnel builder, I'm a copywriter, I'm a designer, I'm a strategist, but I work with 20, 30 kind of niches. And I'm not the expert at every single niche because I do not do the fulfilling of that niche. I do the marketing of that niche. You are the guy who's an expert into that niche fulfillment because that's what you work for. You can tell me as to whom it is for and whom it is not for. And she has clearly mentioned that, hey, this is not for this, this, and this. Very well pointed. I really appreciate her for adding that. Now, this is, hey, I want you to know that this book is not for, right? It's not for postcard printing companies, right? So you can't just be a postcard printing company and then buy her book and get benefited. That's not going to work. This is not for graphic designers. So graphic designers should not take up this book. Not for marketing experts of large brand because that's not how it's designed for. It's designed for single real estate agents who can actually take this and benefit and grow their business, right? That's what it's designed for. And look at the background, man. Stunning, right? Scroll down, and this is about the author, and this is Jenine itself. Jenine got a great photo shoot done, and she sent me all the photographs, by the way, and we beautifully placed it across multiple of the funnels. Now, if you see here about Jenine, and you just look at that golden color, I think it just steals the show there, right? Janine's Hasu, right? And we've given her some of the examples as to who is Janine, from where she is, what she is doing, what she has achieved, and what she has written in the book as to the reason as to why you should buy the book. Then when we scroll down, then we're showing, hey, wait, don't leave night now because claim your free book now and get the free pass to my exclusive online event. I actually insisted her when I was in call with her that, hey, Janine, do you have some kind of bonus that you want to give up? She was like, hey, I'm already giving up my physical book. What else should I give now, right? But I told, hey, do you have something for free, even as a lead magnet, which you can attach and provide value to it? But people can see, okay, I'm not only getting this, I'm also getting this, which becomes a no-brainer offer. Then she was like, okay, I do have something which you might be interested in, and that was the mailer bootcamp, right? I want to get the mailer bootcamp added here as a bonus. So exclusive bonus, free event passes to the Mela Bootcamp, and this is only one. So if you buy one, you get one. So it's a free challenge, it's a free community, it's a free bonus that you get when you buy this book, right? This is normally for $97 and get this for absolutely free. Again, giving people the option to purchase, and then some scarcity and some upfront talk that, hey, as I mentioned earlier, this book is completely free. All I ask you to is to cover the shipping charges, which is only $9.95, and we will ship it directly to your home, to your door house. How amazing is that? There is no catch, right? There is no hidden things, there is no monthly charges, there is literally nothing. You only pay $10 or less than $10, and we ship it to your doorstep anywhere in United States of America. How amazing is that, right? Act now, limited copies available. Now, this is not a fake urgency. It's a real life, real scenario urgency, and you should be getting in. So here's everything you get when you order today, right? It is the book, and with that book, you also get the Mela Bootcamp. But look at it. Look how I've actually designed it to make sure that it looks so huge. And that's the reason why I've added it here. Total value is almost $112, but you get all of that for absolutely free. Only give the shipping charges, which is $9.95. That's pretty much it. And this is the ending section where I have added a good photo of Jenine along with that book itself and with the final call to action. Get your free book now. Send me your address. I'd like to rush a free copy of my brand new hardcover book to your doorstep as soon as possible. Now, that was the entire front page or the sales page of this free plus shipping funnel. There's more to it. Now, let me show it to you how to do the mobile version or how it looks on the mobile view itself. So, this is how it looks in the mobile version. Now, let me tell you one thing. More than 80%, depending on which which target market you are in, it can be from 80, 90, or even sometimes 95 and more, right? So 90 or more percent of your visitors are going to come through mobile. So it's very, very important that your mobile version that looks 110% mobile optimized, and you can do it in high level. I'm just going to show you how. Right. First of all, you're using the settings of or the dimensions of iPhone 14 Pro Max, and as you can see here, this just looks fantastic in terms of the text, in terms of how this is laid out, right? And this is what you see above the fold, right? Do you know what is above the fold? Which basically means that what comes up on the screen itself before you scroll down. That's what exactly is above the fold, right? So everything just looks very neat, clean, and easy to understand. The video is very proper. The notification is very proper. The buttons look really nice. And even if you click the button, it's actually the drop down option. I forgot to show you. So whenever you click on the button, it's a two-step order form. You can see the drop down option. You can see the progress to increase the urgency. Hey, where should we ship your free book? And they will just write their name, their company name, full name, email address, phone number. And of course, don't forget to turn on or keep the shipping details address because those are super important, right? That's pretty much regarding the pop-up. Let me go back to the mobile version of this. Yeah, and then you have that ebook, right? Sorry, the physical book, and then you have the logo. Look at how the logo is structured so very well. I really, really like it. And then you have the badge, and then the photo, and look at the text. Everything is 110% mobile optimized here. Scroll down, and just looks stunning. Very easy to read, very easy to understand as well. The entire thing just looks stunning. The author section looks very, very beautiful. Hey, wait, the bonus section looks really, really nice. Keep scrolling down and just keep looking as to how it looks. Isn't it looking great? This looks top notch in my understanding. Okay, that's pretty much for the entire sales page. Now, wait, it's not just about the sales page, it also has few upsells. Now, the moment somebody clicks here, the moment they add details here, right? And they add their product, they add the shipping info, then they add their card details, they proceed further. Now they're going to go to the first upsell ever, right? And this is the upsell page that I designed for Jenine. I'm going to show you now. So as you can see here, we cannot start any upsell page like a general sales page because people will be confused and they will just close the window. We don't want to do that. we want to give them a disclaimer right on top of it, even though we have to sacrifice some space, because we want them to understand that they are in the sales process. Do not quit, do not close the window, do not close the bar and all that, and browser and all that stuff, right? So as you can see, at the top itself is written, hey, wait, get another free paper book now, because Jenine has written multiple books, and she is giving away even her second book only with the shipping cost. That's it, nothing else, right? As you can see here, it's completely white. I didn't want to make it fancy and all that stuff. I want to make it neat, clean, and easily understandable, because when somebody is checking out, they are concerned that the payment should go through right. Everybody is concerned. I am concerned. My clients are concerned. So even her clients or her customers should also be or will also be concerned. So here, as you can see, we have this important logo, and then your order is processing. Earlier, you saw that the processing was only at 20%. Now it's in the red and it's still 50%. Please don't close this window. Your order is not yet complete, right? Before you go, I have an exclusive one-time offer only. You cannot get this anywhere. It is not available to purchase anywhere. There is no order form available, right? Claim another new book which I wrote, which I mean Jenine wrote for her customers for absolutely free. This won't be available again, so take advantage now. Now this section is very neatly done. It's very easy to understand, will not panic people, and will help them understand that, hey, I'm the sales process and this is an upsell or this another offer before I check out. As you can see, it's written your order is processing. Now get success with just listed and just sold postcard book for free. Now one thing that you will realize here is golden and silver both are in the same line, and this is done with CSS. Looks good, isn't it? I really like it, by the way. So get success with just listed and just sold postcard book for free. Uncover proven techniques and access 75 powerful templates to transform your postcard into a lead generation machine. Stop wasting time and start closing more deals. This copy was written by me for my client. Jenny loved it. Probably we can modify this in future, but hey, for now it looks perfect. Same, we are using the same kind of format, because it's again same kind of book. So again, the video notification here, the real physical book here itself, the same kind of button and all that. When you scroll down, we're now giving directly showcasing the book itself, because this is an upsell. We don't want to make it like 10 foot long. So this is the book itself. It's about what you get in the book, what's written in the book, right? Why you should get the book and what's written in the book. Two sections, two important sections, right? Then you have what's included in the book, because what was included here, right? What was included here on this part is different than what is included here. Is very, very different, right? So the graphics, all of this is designed particular to this, because people can see the inner material as well. That's when people will have the confidence and the trust to proceed forward and buy this one as well. Again, this just ends here. Get your second book for absolutely free. Upgrade your order here, and as you can see, this is only and one click upgrade process. One thing that you have to keep in mind, I'll just show you the testimonial as well, right? So one thing that you have to keep in mind is you add a no thanks, I don't want a success with just listed just full postcard for free. This is a no thanks. I've seen a lot of funnel builders that people hire, and they forget to add this. This is the important part. Otherwise, how will somebody complete the checkout? You'll be literally forcing them to come, take the upsell. Otherwise, they cannot complete the checkout. This is not the right way to do it, right? People will get frustrated. They will complain on that, right? So what you need to do is you have the one-click upsell set in GoHighLevel. Then you need to have no thanks. I don't want the success with this, because people might not want to go with it, but they still want to check out because they've already paid for the first book itself, and they have all the right to complete it and then buy it from you, because it's just an offer, not a compulsion, right? Again, this is 110% mobile optimized. Again, let's look at it. Looks pretty freaking interesting and is just 100% mobile optimal. I think this is very, very well done. I really like it. Jenny loves it, right? So I'm sure that hope you guys will also love it then. This is the first upsell, the second offer. Then we have the the third upsell and sorry the second upsell and the third offer. So here we have written, hey, last opportunity, get my direct mail one-on-one course, right? Because here's the thing, book will take time to reach and ship to these people, probably a week or so, or depends, right? In the meantime, take up my course where I'm training you and teaching you about direct mails to skyrocket your real estate business. Don't you want to get it? That you're already getting all those for absolutely free. Just pay for this book. And that's exactly what's written here, right? Unlock the power of direct mail to skyrocket your real estate business. Join the direct mail one-on-one online course and increase your reach by 3x. And that's exactly what she is giving away only for $97. And again, this is a one-click upsell, which basically means that you should have the option to not buy this offer, which is no thanks. I don't want the redirect mail one-on-one course, because if you miss it, then you're basically missing the first offer itself, because there is no option to opt out of it, right? So you should not be doing it, right? Then we basically have a section where we showcase the mock-up, the books, and all of that, and then we showcase what exactly this includes and what exactly they're going to get benefited from in case they choose to buy this upsell, right? We also showcase the modules, that hey, module 1, module 2, module 3, 4, 5, and all of that. And we also done a bit of good copywriting that hey, turn your marketing around, invest in yourself today, because only then it's going to help you grow your business forward, right? Again, the bottom section with some testimonial. By the way, as you might have guessed it, this is again 110% mobile optimized. Let me just show it to you, right? Just look at it, how beautifully it is done in the mobile way. Just looks fantastic, isn't it? Just looks, I mean, just look at the modules, how beautifully they are laid out, right? Everybody will be able to understand it without any issues. Just look at the testimonials as well, right? And yeah, as you can see, everywhere we have this no thanks, I don't want the redirect email corner course. I mean, you won't believe it, a lot of businesses have hired me that hey Pritam, somebody, I hired before you, they did this funnel, and I was like, have you ever launched this funnel? I was like, they were like, no, nobody bought from this funnel. I was like, how will they buy it? You do not have an opt out option. Crazy, isn't it? And they're paying thousands of dollars for lack of knowledge, right? And then once you complete the third offer and second upsell, then you finally go to congratulations page. And this is the congratulations video that she has, right? And here also we have an upsell actually, but this is actually the final end, right? Your order is complete, right? The total quantity and the total price will be added here. Will all so let's say you bought all the three offers will be added here and the total price. We also have a section where we are going to explain to people what happens next. Super, super important for a better user experience. I've seen a lot of businesses and a lot of funnel builders avoid this. Please don't do it, guys. Have a section that shows that what happens next, so that people can understand, okay, I bought this, now I'm going to get an email, now I'm going to get an SMS, now they will reach out to me, now they will ship to me, and they also should have a support email there right away, right? And then they also get this free ticket and all that, the more details to follow. So she will send everything to the entire team, right, or to the entire customer base that brought this. And again, this is also 110% mobile optimized. How does that look? Doesn't that look fantastic? So that's pretty much about the GoHighLevel and how can you create stunning funnels inside GoHighLevel. I hope that the insight, the knowledge, the copywriting, the designing, the layout was helpful for you. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you are a business owner, you want to get in touch with me or discuss with me in terms of your project requirements for funnels and website inside High Level, just go to pritam.com and book a free consultation. It's absolutely free, but only for 15 minutes, right? So I can discuss with you about your requirements and then see if that's a good fit or not. If you haven't started with High Level yet, then go to bonus.pritambhadra.com. That's exactly, you're going to get all the bonuses which I offer, and you're going to get for absolutely free. Then all important links are in the description box, so make sure that you check them out as well. Thank you so much. I hope you like this. I'll see you in the next video.